Everyone keeps asking me this week, now that there's a new Fed chair, does that mean mortgage rates are finally coming down? Short answer, not necessarily, and what's actually happening could surprise a lot of buyers and sellers right now. Most people think the Federal Reserve directly control mortgage rates, but mortgage rates are actually influenced more by the 10-year Treasury, inflation expectation, bond market confidence, and the overall economy. In fact, Freddie Mac just reported that the average 30-year fixed rate rose to 6.51% as of May 21st, up from 6.36 from the previous week. So despite all the headlines around the Fed transition, mortgage rates actually moved higher. Why? Because the bond market is still worried about inflation and long-term rate risk. And here in the Bay Area, this matters a lot. Our housing market is deeply connected to tech employment, stock market performance, AI restructuring, RSUs, and consumer confidence. That's why I'm watching tech layoffs, the NASDAQ inflation data, and 10-year Treasury just as closely as I watch housing inventory. And the market data is already telling us something important. In the past 7 days across the Bay Area, nearly 2,700 new listings hit the market. Over 2,000 price reductions occurred, but over 2,100 homes still sold. That tells me demand still exists, but buyers are becoming more selective. This is not a 2008 style housing collapse. The issue today is more about affordability and monthly payment shock, not toxic lending. The homes still performing well are properly priced, move-in ready, strategically marketed, and located in desirable neighborhoods. So what should buyers and sellers actually watch moving forward? Watch the 10-year Treasury, inflation report, unemployment trends, tech earnings, and consumer confidence. Because in this next market cycle, understanding how bonds, mortgage rates, stocks, and real estate all connect will matter more than ever. If you want weekly Bay Area housing updates that actually explain what's happening behind the headlines, follow along and send it to someone trying to decide whether now is the right time to buy or sell. Thank you.